Hello everyone, in this video we from Group 3 Class B of Bali Stage Polytechnic Tax Accounting Study Program will explain the use of SUMIF and DISUM formula in Excel with Income Tax 21 calculation. Well, before we proceed to the explanation, we will introduce ourselves first.
Hello everyone, my name is Nilayan Sudadiptasari. You can call me Devita, absent number 2.
Hello everyone, my name is Romeda Situmorang and my absent number is 10.
Hello everyone, my name is Valentina Romasta Febrianti Lumban Gaul. My absent number is 11.
Hello, my name is Alfian Nafisa. My absent number is 12.
Hello everyone, my name is Nila Putri Putri Dewanti and you can call me Indah. My absent number is 16.
The first function we will describe is the DISUM function. The way to use this function is, first of all, copy all the table titles contained in the article 21 salary and income tax report sheet, but only the title is copied, because what will be filled in the table is only the non-taxable income status. After that, we create a list box in the non-taxable income status column and we try to fill it with TK0 to try to find the basic salary of taxpayers who are TK0. And after that, we will enter the DISUM formula. We point the cursor to the column under the previous table. After that, we type DISUM, then open the bracket will appear. Then copy all the data in the salary and income tax report article 21. Then put a comma and then type the number 7. Why do we fill in the number 7? Because what we will calculate is the basic salary and the basic salary column is the 7th column on the article 21 salary and income tax report sheet. After we type in the number 7, then we put a comma and then copy the table above, which is only filled with income status not taxable only. After that, put a closing parenthesis. So to make sure whether the formula we use is correct, we try to change the status of non-taxable income. Earlier, we filled in TK0. Now let's try to change it with TK1 and the result will change. Then change the income status to non-taxable and the result will change too. That means the formula we are using is correct. So that's how to use the DISUM function.
Okay, next I will explain the function of DISUM using other means. I'll first delete the results. Okay. Well, the first we will look for the number of employee salaries for the status of PTKP TK0. The formula used is the same as DISUM, open brackets. Well, for the database taken from the calculation of income tax 21 in blocks from A5 to G5T6. Enter. Okay. Then add is semicolon. Then for the field is taken from the income tax 21 calculation, that is by click G5. Enter. Okay. Semicolon again. After that, for the criteria taken from this PTKP status, then we block A13 to 14. Okay, close brackets. Okay, the results of the number of employee salaries for TK0 will come out worth 48 million. Okay. The second is that we will look for average employee salaries. Here we just copy the formula that is in the number of employee salaries. Copy. Copy. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. And then we change the DISUM formula to average. Okay. Then it will come out the average employee salary for TK0 is worth 12 million. Okay, next. To find the highest salary, we also copy the formula that is in the number of employee salaries. Copy again. And then change the formula DISUM to the max. Well, the result will come out worth 12 million. Okay, next. To find low salary, we also copy the formula that is in the number of employee salaries. Copy. And then change the formula DISUM to the mean. Well, the results will come out worth 12 million. The last. Likewise, to find the number of employees, we copy the formula in the number of employee salaries. Copy again and then change the formula DISUM to the count. Okay. Okay. Then the number of employees for the TK0 as many as 4 people. Okay. Next will be explained by my friends. Thank you.
To prove the formula we use correctly, we can see in the calculation of income tax 21. If we add up all employee salary whose non-taxable income status is TK0, then it will get a result of 48 million. And for the number of employees, we have marked the column whose non-taxable income status is TK0 with white. Here that shows the status of non-taxable income TK0. There are 4 employees. The formula we used was correct. Next, we will fill the number of employee salary, average employee salary, highest salary, lowest salary, and number of employees from TK1 to K3 by using the automatic formula. Well, the first step, we block first from A14 to F21, then click data, then select what if analysis. After that, select the table data, and then fill in the column input cells by clicking TK0 in A14, then all columns will be filled automatic. Well, maybe that's just an explanation of the sum function by using other means. Next, it will be explained by my friend.
Next, I will explain about the SUMIF function, where the function is to add up the taxes of employees who have taxpayer identification number and non-taxpayer identification number are in Indonesia we call NPWP based on non-taxable income status or in Indonesia we call PTKP. Okay, before we go to formula, we must first create a table. In the PTKP status column, we use list box to make it easier. The SUMIF formula is an equal sign with SUMIF, then open the brackets, then block the table F7 to F46 in the income 21 or PPH21 or income tax 21. Okay, next. Then the semicolon clicks the PTKP status. Okay, the PTKP status column in the SUMIF table, namely B28. Then the semicolon again the table block from T7 to T56. Okay, which will be the range of the SUMIF formula. And finally, close the brackets. Okay, I got the result from the total tax status of PTKP 0 level employees who have a taxpayer identification number for a year. For the month, C28 can be divided ourselves by 12. Already got the result. Okay, for the description of non-taxpayer identification number will be explained by my friends.
Okay, I will explain that it is still the same. Number regarding SUMIF function in the amount of non-taxpayer identification number. Tax based on non-taxable income status. For that, the SUMIF formula is an equal sign with SUMIF, then open the brackets, and then block the table F7 to F56 in the income tax 21 column. Then the semicolon clicks the non-taxable income status column in the SUMIF table, namely B28. Then the semicolon again, and the table block from V7 to V56, which will be the range of the SUMIF formula. And finally close brackets. Okay, I got the result for the total tax status of TK0 employees who don't have a taxpayer identification number for a year. For the month, A20H column can be divided of sales to already got the result. And okay, maybe that's all I can explain. I return to moderator.
Okay, so our explanation about the use of SUMIF and DISUM formula in Excel with income tax 21 calculation. Thank you and see you again.